Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. Today, we'll guide you on how to determine when your russet potatoes are ready to harvest. Let's get started. Key signs to look for. First, yellowing leaves. Leaves turn yellow and die back as the tubers mature. Second, flowering. Flowers fade and drop, signaling harvest time is near. Ensure readiness by 1. Test digging. Check the size and firmness of the potatoes. 2. Skin thickness. If the skin is thick and stays intact, they're ready. All right, let's prepare for harvest. First, stop watering 1 to 2 weeks before harvesting. This helps the potatoes develop a thicker skin. Next, gather your harvesting tools and choose a dry day to get started. It's really that simple. Now let's go through the harvesting steps. First, carefully dig around the base of the plants and lift them with a garden fork. Be gentle to avoid damaging the potatoes. Then gently pull the potatoes and shake off any excess soil. After harvesting, it's important to cure the potatoes. Place them in a cool, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks. This helps to toughen up their skins for storage. Once cured, store the potatoes in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area to keep them fresh for longer. Harvest russet potatoes at the right time for the best quality and yield. Follow these steps for a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!